Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at Green Acres doing a quick video tutorial on the Wi-Fi. If you're having problems and experiencing difficulties connecting, this is the front of the unit. You can take a look at the power. Things are downloading. We have green active lights and blue active lights. The 2G and the 5G are both green and active. So if that's not showing up, obviously there's an issue. So unplugging the power, which is right here. Unplug it for 3 minutes, make certain that all the capacitors on the inside are completely drained of any kind of residual power. Boot back up, and then here we have the details and information where it says 2.4G SSID, and that's code of 446. And then down below you can see where it says passphrase, and so that's the information that you're looking for to log in. That's the password right down in here, so the 2511 number. This will boot back up. You should have access, and it's very fast internet access at this location, so it should be over 100 megs per second download speed. So if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030. And that's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management at Green Acres.